Alrighty, y'all. So welcome back to the channel. So we're doing another super simple install. I got the foam hand grips from Sling Mods. Very nice. So should be a very simple install. So let's go ahead. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all. So I have a video out there, and one of the things that I didn't like about the bike was all the vibration. And so, of course, thanks to the comments, a lot of folks were commenting saying, hey, get the foam grips. It really helps with the vibration. It's really nice for the hands, and overall, it's just definitely a buy. So I went on ahead, got them. Need to go ahead and get them installed. So before we get installed, there's a couple things that we're going to need. So one of the things is to actually take off the end weight. This is going to require a T30 bit. So we're going to take off the end weight. We're also going to take off this side of the handguard. Hopefully that's all we need to do. We might have to take off the whole handguard. I hope not. But this is going to be a T15. There we go. T15 torque bit. So we're gonna take those off, and then of course we have our instructions here, and I can go ahead and show those to you. Basically, we're just gonna apply some hand sanitizer to the inside and outside, and should go on pretty easy. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all. So once you kind of get your hand guards situated the way you need them, the next thing you got to do is actually just pull off the mirror. Once you pull off the mirror, you should be able to just slide one of the grips on. So that's what I'm going to do now. Alrighty, y'all. So you see I was able to pull the mirror off pretty simply. Now all we need to do is slide on the hand grip. I'm gonna put some hand sanitizer in there, put a little bit on here, and should slide on pretty easy. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, so that went on hella simple. The hand sanitizer, it really just slid it on really easy. First impressions on these, it's a much bigger grip, and it's really comfortable. So we'll definitely see how it rides. We'll definitely do an update video on how it rides. But so far, I'm happy with it. I'm ready to put everything back together and get to the other side. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so got everything back together. Looks really, really good. And so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So y'all bear with me. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so here's the final look. Looking really good. And first impressions wise, it's definitely a thicker grip, and it is definitely feeling good. So hopefully I'll give y'all a nice impressions video on it. But for now, y'all, that is it. Hope you enjoy the video. Y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, where you at? Stand up, tap in. Let's go.